Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this Teac single cassette deck to show you. The model number is V-350C. But before we get into it, a quick fun fact. Do you know what Type 2 cassettes are? They're cassettes where the tape itself is actually made out of chrome. So, if you didn't know that, now you do. Let's go ahead and talk about this. So, on the rear panel, you have your line output for playback, and then your line in for recording onto a cassette. And then to connect it, you'll just plug in your audio cable to the output, and if you're recording, you can plug one into the input from another device, and then you'll connect your power cord. And then once you have it all set up, you'll be able to power it on and insert a cassette deck. And it's got this cool eject button right here. It's pretty big. So on the front panel you have power, eject as I just showed you, record, play, rewind, fast forward, pause, and stop. And then you have a counter right here which you can reset by pushing that. And then you have record, mute, and then microphone left and right, so that you can record onto the cassette with those. And then over here you can adjust the level of the recording volume rate for left or right microphones. And then you have your tape select buttons. You can do normal, CR02, metal, and then you have Dolby noise reduction. You can set it to B or C and to in or out. And then there's also a Brilliance option. I'm not sure what that does, but I've never seen that before. But that's pretty much all there is for this Teac single cassette deck. If you want to order it, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.